Hello everyone, I show you how to draw the ant step by step.